enchanted night in the enchanted forest. Ah, let me take a look at that beautiful moon through the telescope and see what it is that I can see. Wow, the moon looks just amazing through a telescope. Wonder where the children are today. Hey, where is everyone? Oh my goodness! Just when I leave my tree, what's going on here? Aliza, oh Mr. Owl, you two are in this? Mars, and who is high up in the tippy top of the tree? Sarah, you are here. What's going on, kiddies? Oh, you all decided to come up in the tree because I came down to look at the moon. So, any questions, anyone? I have one. Who's that? Sarah. Since you're looking at the moon, Dr. Haque, I thought I'd ask a question about the moon. How many moons are there in the entire solar system? Sarah, that's an excellent question. So let's see. We need someone to keep count. Who likes mathematics? I do. Oh, Aliza, you will keep count for us? Yes, that's excellent. All right, children, everyone, let's listen and figure out how many moons there are in the solar system. So the solar system is made up of 8 planets. So let's see how many moons there are with each planet. So we start with, let's see, the planet that's closest to the sun is Mercury. How many moons does Mercury have? Anyone? I want to try it. That sounds like you, Maz. How many moons does Mercury have? None. Mercury has no moons, and you're quite correct. So let's go to the next planet. So the next planet in the solar system is Venus. Does anyone know how many moons does Venus have? I'd like to try that. That sounds like Mr. Owl. Yes, Mr. Owl. How many moons does Venus have? Well, Mars said that Mercury had none, so I'm going to go with that as well. There are no moons on Venus. That is indeed very, very correct. So, Aliza, what's the total so far? 0 plus 0. We've gotten 0 so far. So let's go to the next planet in the solar system. And that is none other than beautiful planet Earth. So, how many moons are there on planet Earth? Who wants to go with that one? Me. That sounds like Mars. How many moons are there with Earth? 1. And you are quite correct. The beautiful moon that we can see through our telescopes, and we can't see the dark side of the moon. We see only one side of the moon. That's this side. We just have 1. Okay, let's keep going. Next planet is Mars. How many moons does Mars have? Aliza, do you want to take that one? Yes, I will, because remember, you are keeping count. Yes, so I think that Mars has 2 moons, and that's quite correct. So what's your total so far, Aliza? 2 for Mars, 1 for Earth, none for Venus, none for Mercury. So there are 3 moons in the solar system so far. Okay, so now we're going to go to the giant planets. They're so giant we can't even see the whole thing. So this is Jupiter. How many moons are there on Jupiter? Dr. Haque, I think you should take these planets now. Okay, kiddies. So I will tell you guys, there are 79 moons on Jupiter. And the planet after that is going to be none other than my favorite planet in the sky. And that is Saturn. And how many moons are there on Saturn? There are 82 moons on Saturn. Wow. Are you keeping up, Aliza? Yes. Right? You might need a calculator soon. Okay, so guys, the next planet is Uranus, beautiful Uranus in the sky. And how many moons does Uranus have? 27. Okay, I hope you are keeping notes, Aliza. The numbers are building up now. All right, so but we are almost to the end. So the last planet in our solar system is none other than beautiful Neptune. And how many moons does Neptune have? It has 14 moons. So did you add it all up? Yes, I can see you're busy with your calculator. And what did you get? The grand total is 205. Yay! Sarah, did you hear that? The total number of moons we know in the solar system right now is over 200. So we discover new moons actually all the time, so the numbers can change, but what we can say is that there are definitely over 200 moons in our solar system. So I hope that answers your question. All right, guys, so let me go back to looking at the beautiful moon in the Enchanted Forest as we discover wonderful things about our solar system. Good night. Good night, everyone.